CosMedix and Cryo MedSpa in Topsham, Maine. It says, we're keeping things smooth this season with a can't miss special at CosMedix and Cryo Spa. Get Tox for just $10.99 per unit, whether you're refreshing your glow or going all in on a flawless contour. Our expert esthetician team has you covered. Click Get Offer to claim yours now. Limited availability, unlimited confidence. And the headline says Topsham Botox, just $10.99 per unit. All right, at first glance, it's got potential. The offer is super clear. Botox for $10.99 per unit. That's competitive and eye-catching. But the energy, too safe, too soft, too subtle. The opening line, we're keeping things smooth this season, feels more like a skincare blog than a scroll-stopping ad. This isn't the time to be poetic. It's the time to be punchy, playful, and direct. We also get some vague phrasing, refresh your glow, and flawless contour, right? These aren't bad. They just don't hit emotionally. We want the reader to feel like they're about to walk into work glowing, confident, and unstoppable, not just refreshed. Also, there's no local call out, no urgency, no clear reason to act now. It's giving, hey, we're on sale when we want. Your glow up window is open, but closing fast. Let's fire this up. So we're going to use our $97 ad rewrite playbook and rebuild this ad line by line. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this ad here and just place it in my document. And we're going to focus on just the headlines and the copy. All right. So headline and copy, that's it. All right. So let's start with the copy. The first thing we want to do is start with a bold, local, and benefit-focused first line. So we're going to say, hey, Topsham, ready for that? Did she get work done? Glow. This week only. Tox is $10.99 a unit, but spots are tight. Walk into brunch. So now we're painting the lifestyle upgrade, right? Walk into brunch, work, or selfies looking effortless. All right. So now we're going to stack some more emotional benefits in a rhythm. So no more frown lines, no tension, just lifted, smooth, lifted plus smooth. Okay. Fast, painless, expert applied with 5-star finesse. Let's add a line to increase status and identity appeal. So we'll say, look like you, just more confident, pulled together, and glowier. New client special. Only 10 openings this week. All right, so we added some limited availability to the audience. Let's handle some objections. Quick consult included will help you decide the best plan. Throw in some more urgency without sounding pushy. So pricing this low doesn't last, and neither do appointments. Comment glow and we'll DM you the link to book. Let's add in our headlines. The first one's going to be Botox in Topsham, just $10.99 a unit, and smooth, snatched, and on special. All right, so let's take a look at this. All right, so it says, hey, Topsham, ready for that Did She Get Work Done glow? This week only, Tox is $10.99 a unit, but spots are tight. Walk into brunch, work, or selfies looking effortless. No more frown lines, no tension, just lifted plus smooth. Fast, painless, expert apply with 5-star finesse. Look like you, just more confident, pulled together and glowier. New client special, only 10 openings this week. Oops. Openings this week. Quick consult included will help you decide the best plan. Pricing this low doesn't last, and neither do appointments. Comment glow, and we'll DM you the link to book. All right, so in this rewrite, we cut off the fluff and amped up the clarity, emotion, and local pull. We open with a confident "Did she get work done?" scroll stopper, a line that triggers curiosity and status. We follow that with instant pricing, urgency, emotional benefits, and sensory language so the reader can feel what post-treatment life looks like. The tone is playful, modern, confident. The call to action is native to the platform. No call now, just comment glow and we'll DM you. Simple, direct, scroll proof. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.